According to research, the average person's attention span during a presentation is just 8 seconds. That's less than a goldfish. Ever seen an audience zone out during an audit report presentation? Let's fix that. Welcome to the GRC Sentinel, where we bring life into the world of governance, risk, and compliance. Today, we are talking about something crucial but often overlooked: audit presentations. Let's face it, the data may be solid, the insight's important. But if your audience is bored or confused, your message gets lost. So, how do you keep them engaged and even interested in audit results? Let's explore. Most audit presentations are loaded with dense slides, technical jargon, and spreadsheet screenshots. The result? Executives tune out. Process owners disengage. And key risks get buried under a pile of bullet points. You've probably faced this before. That glazed look when you get to page 42 of your audit deck. The truth is, presenting audit findings is as important as the findings themselves. If they are not heard, they are not acted upon. So, how do we make audit presentations engaging and impactful? Here are some proven strategies. Tell a story. Instead of jumping straight into findings, frame the audit like a story. Start with the risk, the root cause, and the impact, like characters in a narrative. Here's what we saw. Here's how it happened. Here's what it means. Use visuals. Graphs, dashboards, and simple infographics beat spreadsheets every time. Highlight trends, not tables. Tools like Power BI, Canva, or Google Data Studio can make your data pop. Be interactive. Ask questions. Use polls. Invite the audience to interpret results. Let them co-own the problem before you present the solution. Use analogies or humor, when appropriate. Saying, "there's a breakdown in controls," is fine. But saying, "it's like leaving your office unlocked overnight," with a neon sign saying, "take what you want," sticks better. Focus on the top 3 to 5 key risks. Cut jargon. Speak in terms of business impact. Don't drown them in detail, leave them with insight. Let's look at a success story. One internal audit team used animated slides to walk execs through the life cycle of a fraud case, from loophole to loss. Instead of listing findings, they told a story, complete with characters and turning points. Guess what? The CEO referenced that presentation in a board meeting. The CFO fast-tracked control improvements. And audit reports got more visibility across departments. Why? Because the presentation made them feel the risk, not just read about it. To wrap up, your audit insights are valuable, but how you present them determines whether they are ignored or implemented. You can transform even the most boring report into an action-driven conversation by utilizing storytelling, images, engagement, and simplicity. Let your next audit presentation be one they remember, for the right reasons. Have you found a creative way to spice up your presentations? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to learn from you. And don't forget to check out our next video, Communicating Risk Like a Pro. Stay sharp, and see you next time on the GRC Sentinel.